DrawTime is a social communication app that allows you to both FaceTime, message, and draw at the same time.
You can find this tool on the App Store, download this, and create an account with your email.
Click the green crayon, then click the two heads. If you want to add or invite someone to talk with, click the person with the plus sign in the top right corner. Drag 2 fingers down and invite them.
Once invited, they will be listed in contacts. If you click on that person, you can call or send them a drawing message. Press call.
Hey Emma.
Hey Maddie.
So I missed chemistry today and I was wondering if you could show me what an H2O structure looked like.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome, bye.
To send a message to someone, first draw your message. If you mess up, use the eraser. Pick a new color and continue. Tap the sending icon and select your contact, then send.
If you would like to save your photo, you can click the green plus sign in the bottom right corner. This will give you a blank page and you can draw a new picture. If you want to delete the whole page, click the eraser and the red X in the top left corner.